सर्वेभ्यो नमस्काराः। सिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः अजन्तस्त्रीलिङ्गप्रकरणे दशमः पाठः। जून् मासस्य 14 दिनाङ्कः। गुणाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्ति परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते। ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गेषु स्मः। ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गेषु प्रथमः विधः भवति यत्र ण्यन्तः शब्दः ण्यन्तः भवति। ण्यन्तः भवति चेत् तत्प्रयुक्तानि कार्याणि सन्ति। ण्यन्तः भवति ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गत्वात् नदीसंज्ञाक् भवति, तत्प्रयुक्तानि कार्याणि भवन्ति। शब्दः न ण्यन्तः अर्थात् औणादिकश्चेत् नदीसंज्ञात् भवति, किन्तु अण्यन्तत्वात् सुलोपो न भवति। गौरी शब्दः प्रथमविधः, लक्ष्मी शब्दः द्वितीयविधः। स्त्री शब्दः अपि ण्यन्तः, किन्तु तत्र विशेषो भवति यत् अजादिषु प्रत्ययेषु परेषु विशेषेण सूत्रेण इयं विधीयते इति च विशेषः। इदानीं धातोः इकारश्चेत् कथं प्रक्रिया किं भवति इति द्रष्टव्यं। तत्र उदाहरणत्वेन दीयते श्री शब्दः इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः। श्री इत्यत्र धातोः इकारः श्री श्रयणे इति धातोः क्विप् वचि प्रचितेन क्विप् प्रत्यये कृते प्रकृतेः दीर्घे कृते श्री इति धातुः निष्पद्यते इति प्रातिपदिकं निष्पद्यते। श्री इत्यस्मात् सुप्रत्यये कृते अङ्यन्तत्वात् सुलोपो न भवति। सुलोपे असति श्रीः। धातोः इकारः यत्र यत्र धातोः इकारः भवति इवर्णः भवति अथवा उवर्णः भवति तत्र अचिष्णुधातुभ्रुवां युवोः इयङ् वङौ इत्यनेन इयङ् आदेशो भवति, उवङ् आदेशश्च भवति। So wherever as soon as we say that there is an ikara or an ukara belonging to a dhatu, we immediately look into either iyang or yan. Okay, there are two options also. If it is a dhatu, it can either have iyang by achishna dhatu bhuvam or yan by eranekacho sanyoga purvasya. Okay, in this case it has to be iyang because eranekacho sanyoga purvasya cannot apply. Asanyoga purvasya धात्वयव संयोगपूर्वो न भवति यः इकारः इत्युच्यते। अत्र तु धात्वयवे संयोगः अस्ति, शकार रेफयोः संयोगः। Since there is a संयोग, एरनेकाचः cannot apply here, so there is no yan. Instead of that, there is achishna dhatu bhuvam, there is iyam. Okay, so shrihi, shriyau, shriya. The question is, will this have nadi samya? This is not gyanta, so there is no sulopa, fine. Will it get nadi karyani is the question, because this is also ikaranta and this is strilinga. Yustyakyo nadi ityanena nadi samya bhavitum arhati. Kintu nadi samyayaha nishedhah neyang uvang sthana vastri. Padatrayam asti sutre na iyang uvang sthanau astri iti chedha. इयङ् वङ् स्थानौ न यूस्त्र्याख्यो नदी इति प्राक्तनं सूत्रं सम्पूर्णम् अनुवर्तते। यूस्त्र्याख्यो नदी इयङ् वङ् स्थानौ न अर्थात् यत्र इयङ् अथवा वङ् भवितुम् अर्हति। स्थानं नाम इयङ् वङोः स्थितिः ययोः ईकार ऊकारयोः इयङ् वा उवङ् वा भवितुम् अर्हति। तादृश इकारान्त उकारान्त पदानि नदीसंज्ञानि अथवा प्रातिपदिकानि नदीसंज्ञानि न भवन्ति। इयङ् स्थितिः ययोः तौ ईदूतौ नदीसंज्ञौ न स्तः। So if the pratipadika has the condition satisfied to get iyang or uvang, then it will not have nadi samya. That's what it says, except stri shabda. Stri shabda, even though it gets iyang by striyaha, it will still get nadi samya because it says astri. Excepting stri, other words which get iyang or uvang will not have nadi samya. So tena he shrihi हे श्री स इति स्थिते नदीसंज्ञायाः अभावेन अम्बार्थनद्योः ह्रस्वः इति ह्रस्वो न भवति. There is no hrasva, so there is he shrihi, he shri su, and there is rutva visarga. This is the difference between Shri and Lakshmi. In Lakshmi, even though there is no sulopa in Prathama Vibhakti, Prathama Ekavachane sulopa nasti, Lakshmihi, Lakshmyo Lakshmiha, kintu sambuddhiha swastu bhavatyeva, he Lakshmi, he Lakshmyo, he Lakshmiha, ityeva rupam. Atra tu Shrihi, Shriyo, Shriyaha, he Shrihi, ityeva. Okay. श्रियं श्रियौ श्रियः द्वितीया विभक्तौ अपि तथैव. श्री अम् इत्यस्ति. अमिपूर्वः इति पूर्वरूपं बाधित्वा अचिष्णुधातुभ्रुवाम् इत्यनेन इयङ्. इयङ् overrules अमिपूर्वः. It overrules प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः. It overrules all the general sutras. So श्रियं श्रियौ श्रियः. So पूर्वरूपं पूर्वसवर्णदीर्घं च बाधित्वा पर. It is not paratvat. Iyang is not Parasutra, right? Iyang is in the 6th chapter before Purarupa and Purusa. I think it is Vishesha Vihitatvad Iyang because it has been told specifically for Dhatu Ikara. We'll get this. Okay. And Shriya Shribhyam Shribhihi ityapi bhavati. Nye pratyaya pare kim bhavati iti prashnaha. Shri e ityasti. Atrapi Atra niti hrasvashcha. We already studied the sutra. Niti hrasvashcha. We were also looking at it yesterday. Kim uchyate? Iyang sthanam astri iti niti hrasvashcha ityatrapi anuvartate. So niti hrasvashcha has two parts. One is that hrasvan hrasvavyo ivarno uvarno tadantam nadi samyam syat vikalpena iti ekah bhagah. अपरः भागस्तु इयङ् उमङ् स्थानम्. इयङ् उमङ् स्थानौ अस्त्री. स्त्री शब्द भिन्नौ इयङ् उमङ् स्थानौ नित्यस्त्रीलिङ्गौ ईदूतौ. So नित्यस्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दास् ईकारान्त उकारान्तास् which get इयङ् or uvang will get an optional nadi samya in nit. That is when followed by nit pratyayas they will have an optional nadi samya. Okay. So what Panini does is use triakhyo nadi. Neyang umang sthana vastri. He denies or negates the entire nadi samya first, and then he says vami niti hasvashcha. Ami va. When followed by am, there is an optional nadi samya, and when followed by nit pratyaya, there is an optional nadi samya. So what came out of the whole thing is only in sambuddhi the nadi karya is prevented. Nadi karya occurs in 5 places. When we are dealing with supratyayas, that is, nadi karya occurs in 5 places. One is sambuddhi, sambuddho hrasvaha, nitsu adagamaha, amaha nudagamaha, nyehe amadeshaha. Iti chatvari nadi karyani bhavanti. So for if the this has iyang and uvang, sambuddho nadi karyam na bhavati. Nitsu adagamaha vikalpena bhavati because niti hrasvashcha gives an optional nadi samya. Amaha nudagamopi vikalpena bhavati because vami, which is the next sutra which we are going to study, gives an optional nadi samya. Nyehe amadeshastu bhavati vikalpena eva bhavati. Niti hrasvashcha iti sutra. Niti hrasvashcha ityanena vikalpena nadi samyayam satyam anadyaha ityanena at agamaha. Shri a e आटश्च इत्यनेन वृद्धौ श्री ऐ. इदानीम् अचिष्णुधातुभ्रुवाम् इत्यनेन इयङि श्रियै इति एकं रूपं. So when we have nadi samya, the rupa would be श्रियै. पक्षे अर्थात् नदी संज्ञायाः अभावे घिसंज्ञा न भवति. So the difference in mati shabda, what we one case we had nadi samya, in the other case we had ghi samya, right? Matyai mataye, nadi samya pakshe matyai ghi samya. Kintu atra nadi samya bhavati tadabhave ghi samya nasti. Kimartham nasti? Ghi samya shesho ghyasakhi. Anadi samyo hrasvo yau ivarna uvarno. Hrasvaikaranta ukaranta shabda pratiprikanameva ghi samya. Atra ghi samya na bhavati. Shri e अचिष्णुधातुभ्रुवाम् इत्यनेन इयङि श्रिये. श्रियै श्रिये श्रीभ्यां श्रीभ्यः इति रूपम्. Okay. Any questions?
Swamiji, in both cases, we are going to have Iyangan, whether it is a Nadi Samya or whether it's not a Nadi Samya, either way we are going to have it.
Yes, because that sutra does not have anything. It just needs an Ajadi Vibhakti. As long as it is Ajadi, you have Iyang. In one case we have I, and in another case we have A. So in both ways we have Iyang.
Okay, thanks.
श्रियै श्रिये श्रीभ्यां श्रीभ्यः श्रियाः श्रियः श्री ngasi अथवा ngसोः ngसि ngसोः अस् अस्ति श्री अस् आडागमे वृद्धौ कृते श्री आस् इयङि कृते श्रियास् ऋत्वविसर्गयोः श्रियाः आडागमाभावे श्री अस् इत्यस्य अत्रैव इयङादेशः श्रियस् श्रियर्श्रियः श्रियाः श्रियः श्रीभ्यां श्रीभ्यः श्रियाः श्रियः श्रियोः श्री ओस् इति स्थिते इयङादेशे कृते श्रियोः श्री आम् इति स्थिते. Actually there is no nadi samya by neyang sthanavastri, but the next sutra says vami va ami ami pare vikalpena bhavati yustryakhyo nadi ityena vartate neyang sthanavastri ityatah yang sthanau astri ityena vartate. कोऽर्थः स्त्री स्त्री शब्द भिन्नौ यङ स्थानौ आमि परे विकल्पेन नदी संज्ञौ स्तः. यङ स्थानौ स्त्र्याख्यौ नाम नित्यस्त्रीलिङ्गौ यु ईकार ऊकारौ आमि आम प्रत्यये बहुवचन षष्ठी बहुवचन प्रत्यये परे वा विकल्पेन नदी संज्ञौ स्तः. स्त्री शब्दस्य none of these applies to स्त्री. स्त्री has a nitya iyang nitya nadi samya by yustryakhyo nadi. Okay. So श्रीनाम नदी संज्ञायां सत्यां श्री आम् इति स्थिते ह्रस्वनद्यापो नुट् इत्यनेन नुडागमे कृते वर्षाभ्यां नुडसमानपदे इत्यनेन नत्वे च कृते श्रीणाम् इति भवति. तदभावे since this is an optional नदी संज्ञा श्री आम् स्थिते अजादित्वात् अत्रापि इयङ् भवति. इयङ् कृते श्रियाम् श्रीणां श्रियाम्. सप्तमी एकवचने किं भवति? श्री ङि इ इत्यस्ति. इति ह्रस्वश्च इति विकल्पेन नदी संज्ञा. ङेरां नद्यां नीभ्यः इति आमादेशः. श्री आम् इति जातम्. पुनः आनद्याः इति आट् आटश्च इति वृद्धिः ध्रुवाम् इति इयङ्. तदा श्रियाम् इति नदी संज्ञा पक्षे रूपम्. तदभावे श्री इ इति स्थिते इयङि अचिष्णुधातुभ्रुवाम् इत्यनेन इयङादेशे कृते श्री. So you should notice that both in Shashti and Shashti Bahuvachana and Saptami Ekavachana we have this form called Shriyam. But in Shashti Bahuvachana Naditva Pakshe Shrinam iti Rupam Tadabhave Shriyam iti Rupam. Saptami Ekavachane tu Naditva Pakshe Shriyam iti Rupam Tadabhave Shri iti Rupam. Shriyam Shri Shriyoho Shrishu. So Shri Shabde आदौ सुलोपो नास्ति यन्तत्वाभावात्. Okay. First thing, the difference between Shri and, well, if you say Gauri or something. Okay. And then in all Ajadi Pratyayas, wherever there is an Ajadi Pratyaya, you get Iyang by Achishna Dhatu Bhruvam, your Iyang Vangam. Right? Shriyo, Shriyaha, Shriyam, Shriya, Sarvatra Bhavati. Sambuddhau tu Naditva Bhavat Hrasvo Nasti. There is no Nadi Samya. We also do not have Ambarthan Adyor Hrasvaha. So it is He Shrihi. Nitsu Pratyeshu Pareshu Iti Hrasvascha iti Vikalpena Nadi Samya Bhavati Tat Prayuktaha Adagamopi Bhavati Nyeha Amadeshopi Bhavati. So in all these cases there is an optional Nadi Samya. Ami Parepi Vikalpena Nadi Samya Bhavati Vami iti Sutrena. Okay. Yes, please. Any questions?
Swamiji, how did Shriya become like Mati? There's no Ikaranta, right? There's no small ikaranta. How did we start treating like a mati
We didn't
shabda?
treat it as mati. No, no. It is not like mati at all.
So it says aniti hiswas iti vikalpena nadi se. So then we get two forms, like one like matyai and one like matyai.
We
So
don't get two forms. I was saying that the difference is that there are two forms like mati shabda because there is an optional nadi samya. But in
okay,
case of mati samya, in case of mati shabda,
okay,
the two forms are because there is an optional nadi samya like this, which is correct. On the other hand, there is also ghisamya, but in Shri there is no question of ghisamya because this is not rasvanta. So that was all. So what was your question?
so my question is that okay, when we get one, we getting a on nadya we are doing so that we can get let's say Shriya and Shriye. One we are declining like Matiye, right? So for
Actually, the thing is, we are declining mati like ikaranta. I mean, the thing is not whether it is mati or shri. It is just nadi samya. Okay,
right.
that form is because of nadi samya, which is like Gauri or like Lakshmi. You can say whatever. Huh. Yes.
So in one form we get an ekaranta, one form we get aikaranta. For one we are treating like a nadi and one we are not treating like a nadi, right?
Correct.
So what prompts it to not treat like a nadi?
Because Niti Hasvashcha gives an optional nadi samya. Nadi samya itself is vikalpa. What Vanini did is initially he says use tyakhyo nadi. Ikaranta ukaranta nitya strilinga, it should be nadi. So then Shri Shabda would also get nadi samya. But immediately afterwards he says neyang vang sthana vasti. If it gets iyang, then it does not have nadi samya. That is why we did not do harasva in sambuddhi. Then again he says vami and niti hasvashta. In am and in nit pratyayas, it gets an optional nadi samya. So if we have nadi samya, the forms go like the usual ikaranta words like Gauri. When there is no nadi samya, we just do whatever sandhi is applicable and have the form.
Okay, so we do the sandhi, we don't do the gi samya. Okay, that was the
No,
confusion.
gi samya is not there because it is not rasva.
Okay, thanks.
Any other questions? Now we have another word again where ikara is derived from a dhatu. Pradhyayati iti pradhihi. The difference between Shri and Pradhi, I mean at the outset, is that Shri will get young because it has Sanyoga Purva. Wherever there is Sanyoga in the Dhatu, there is no yan. But Pradhi, Dhatvayavayave Sanyoga nasti, Tasmadatra Eranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya iti yan bhavitum arhati. Okay? So that is the difference. Wherever there is there is a dhatu, you have to think whether it will get yang or yan. Okay? Dhatvavayave ehe aneka sanyoga purvasya. Dhatvavayava sanyoga purvo na bhavati yah ikarah tadantoyo dhatuh tadantasya anekachaha angasya. So there are different rules for eranekacha sanyoga purvasya. If those rules can be satisfied, it gets yan. Otherwise, it will get yang. Okay? There is a question. As an example of Prapta Vibhasha and Aprapta Vibhasha. So this is actually Aprapta Vibhasha. I mean, we are still in the previous case where he says Vami and Niti Hrasvashta. Now is it Prapta Vibhasha or Aprapta Vibhasha? So this is Aprapta Vibhasha because by Nayang Sthana Vastri, the Nadi Samya was denied completely. Initially, there was Prapti and then there was Nishedha. Now once it has been completely negated, we are saying an option by Vami and Niti Hrasvashta. So Vami and Niti Hrasvashta would be a Aprapta Vibhasha. Yes, Sharma. Hello.
Hello. I was saying there was a question between Sri and Mati. In one case,
Yes.
can you think it is Prapta Vibhasha, and in another case it is Aprapta.
Oh, okay. No, for Mati also it is Aprapta, right? Because Mati also will not get Nadi Samya. Mati does not have any sutra for getting Nadi Samya.
Oh, I see.
In case of Shri, initially it had, but then it was negated by Nayamang Sthanavastri. So for both, it is Aprapta Vibhasha.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is there any other question? So Raghupanji, do you still have any other questions?
No, I didn't know how to close this. There's a problem. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. Pradhyayati iti pradhihi. Okay. So as I said, the initial difference is this will get yan by era nekacha sanyoga purvasya, while Shri got yan. Now there's one more question. Will pradhi get nadi samya or not? Shri shabdasya विषये किम् उक्तं वस्तुतः नेयगमं स्थानवस्त्रे इत्यनेन नदी संज्ञा निषिद्धा तदनन्तरं वामी इति स्पष्ट इत्यनेन विकल्पेन नदी संज्ञा प्राप्ता इति ज्ञातं प्रध्यायति इति प्रधीः इत्यस्ति अत्र नदी संज्ञा भवति वा न वा इति प्रश्नः. What is the basis of this question is for nadi samya to be there, I mean for us to consider any of these sutras, application of any of the Nadi Samya sutras, the principal condition is Striyakhya. You Striyakhya Nadi. Striyakhya means we have been telling Nitya Strilinga Shabdas, those Shabdas which exist only in Strilinga. For such words, there is Nadi Samya. There is a chance of getting Nadi Samya. Further questions later, whether it has yang, vang or hrasva or whatever will come later. The basic parameter is it has to be Striyakhya. What is Striyakhya is a question. I mean, we've been telling Nitya Strilinga because that is a Siddhanta, but there are different opinions regarding that. Striyakhyam nama kim ityatraiva matabhedaah santi. So, use Striyakhyam nadi ityanena kim uchyate? Striyakhyanam अर्थात Nitya Strilinga Shabdanam nadi samya asti ityuchyate. Striyakhyattvam अथवा नित्य स्त्रीलिंगत्वं नाम किम् इत्यत्रैव मतभेदाः सन्ति. Now you have pradhihi, right? पुनः प्रदर्शितः प्रध्यायति इति प्रधिहि, प्रकर्षेण ध्यायति चिन्तयति इति प्रधिहि. So anybody who thinks well, प्रकर्षेण ध्यायति प्रध्यायति सः प्रधि भवितुम् अर्हति. It can be a pullinga, it can be strilinga. That is, it can be a man, it can be a woman, it could also be an apumsakalinga for anything. Okay. So now this pradhi can exist in this vigraha. Pradhyayati iti vigrahe pradhi shabdaha pullingepi asti, strilingepi asti, napumsakalingepi asti. Tasmat idam striyakhyam na iti dikshitadinam matam. According to Dikshita, this is not striyakhya. This is not nitya strilinga. If you take Shri, Shri Shabda is Nitya Strilinga. It does not exist in any other linga. Shri hi Strilinge eva asti. Kintu pradhi pradhyayati iti pradhihi ityatrato pullingepi bhavitum arhati, strilingepi bhavitum arhati, napumsakepi bhavitum arhati. Tasmat atra nadi samyayaha prasaktireva nasti iti dikshitanam matam. Kintu pradhi shabdasya tu vrittikarādīnām mate lakshmīvad rūpam. But the vrittikara, vritti is, as I told, vritti is any grantha or anything which attempts to explain the meaning of Panini Sutras. Paniniya Sutranam Artha Vivaranam Yatta Kriyate Saha Vritti Granthaha Ityuchyate. Yeah. So vritti, there have been many different vrittis which have been written for Ashtadhyayi. Adhyayam Bahuni, almost like thousands of vrittis have been written. Okay. So the Bhashyakara himself mentions these vrittikaras, which means that before the Bhashya also there were people who have written vritti on Ashtadhyayi. Since the Bhashyakara himself says Vrittikara. But Patanjali does not mention by name who those Vrittikaras are. Now, as we stand today, we do not know any Vrittikaras who existed before Patanjali. Asmakam mate Vrittihi nama Atiprasiddha Vrittihi adya Kashika Vrittihi asti. Vamana Jayadityabhyam Virachita Kashika Vrittihi. So, Vrittikara could be when later authors like Dikshita or Nagesha refer to Vrittikaras, they generally refer to Kashika Vritti. But whenever they say Vrittikara, it need not mean Kashika Vritti. It could be some other Vrittikaras. Okay. So, Vrittikaradinam mate Lakshmivad Rupam इत्युक्ते नदी संज्ञा अस्ति. लक्ष्मीवद् रूपम् इत्युक्ते नदी संज्ञा भवति. कथं नदी संज्ञा भवितुमर्हति प्रधी शब्दस्य इत्युक्ते पदान्तरं विनापि स्त्रियां वर्तमानत्वं नित्यस्त्रीत्वम् इति स्वीकारात्. The Vrittikara has a different definition for Nityastritva than what we have been thinking. Okay, what have we been thinking? Nityastrilinga means a word should be only in Strilinga and not in any other lingas. That is our current definition of Nityastrilinga. That is the definition of Dikshitar. Okay, that is what Dikshitar accepts. But according to some people, some scholars, that is not Nityastrilinga. What is Nityastritva? Padantaram vinapi striyam vartamanatvam. Any word which can indicate a stri without requiring any other helping words is called Nityastritva, is what he says. For example, you have Pradhi Shabda, Pradhyayati. Okay, so Pradhyana, that Kriya of Pradhyana can refer to a stri. Okay, even a stri can do Pradhyana or a man can. Okay, so though it can refer to a man also, it can indeed refer to stri also. There is nothing to say that it cannot be strilinga. Okay, so that is how Vrittikara considers Striakhyatva. As long as you hear a word, there is nothing which says that it cannot be a strilinga or which by default refers to a pullinga. Okay, so that is called Nityastritva. For example, I mean, what contrast he does this? There is this word called Pradhi, which is Pradhyayati. There is one more word called Gramani, Gramam Nayati, the leader of a Grama. Okay, so now actually if you take it theoretically, both these words can exist in all three lingas. Pradhyana can be done by Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Gramanayana can also be done by Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. But he says, Gramanayanadinam Outsargikayataya Pumdharmatvat. He says the leadership of a village is by default a man's. Okay, so unless you specify an exceptional case where Gramani, Brahmani, where say a Brahmani is the leader of a Grama, unless you specify with a other Strilinga word that it is a man, by default it is accepted as a man. Okay, so Gramani is not Nitya Strilinga, but Pradhi, that is this Pradhyana, can be done. Just by hearing Pradhi, you do not have that propensity to say that it is a Pullinga. So this is Nitya Strilinga. That is Vrittikara's definition. He says there are some Kriyas which are by default attributed to Pullingas. Okay, so like Gramanayana or Khalapavana, he gives an examples which we see later. Okay, so those are not Nitya Strilingas. Their Strilinga is an exception. So there has to be another word which indicates a Strilinga, and in those cases it is not Striakya. But for properties which are common to men and women, that is which could apply equally to men, Pullinga and Strilinga, you don't need or you don't feel that it is by default Pullinga. So in all those cases, he says it can be treated as Nitya Strilinga. Pradhi Shabdasya tu Vrittikāradīnām mate Lakshmivad Rūpam. What is his definition of Nitya Stritva is this: Padantaram vinapi striyam vartamanatvam Nitya Stritvam iti svikārat. So if you take this definition, then Pradhi will get Nadi Samya. Nadi Samya chet kim bhavati? Lakshmivat. There is no Sulopa because it is not Yanta. Everywhere else, the forms will be like Lakshmi. Only thing is that there are two differences which we will see later. लिंगांतर अनभिधायकत्वं तत् इति कैयटमते तु पुंवद्रूपम्. But on the other hand, Kayyata is one of the earliest commentators for Mahabhashya, and Dikshita and others follow Kayyata's this. So Kayyata says Lingantara Anabhidhayakatvam tat nama Nityastritvam. Yes, what is Nityastrilingatva? Lingantara Anabhidhayakatvam, that which does not exist in any other lingas. So any word which is only in Strilinga and does not exist in Pullinga or Napumsakalinga is Nitya Strilinga, says Kayyata. So when that is the case, what will happen? Pradhi will not get Nadi Samya at all, because it is not a Nitya Strilinga word. Okay. So about Pradhi, when we are taking the Vigraha as Pradhyayati, Vritikaradina mate Lakshmivad Rupam, it is not completely, because Lakshmi will get Iko Yanati, whereas Pradhi will get Yan by Eranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya. That is there. And because of that, in Am and Shas, there will be a difference. Eranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya ititu Paratvat Ami Purvaha Itnetam api bhadhate, Purvasavarna Digha api bhadhate. So Pradhyam Pradhyaha ityeva bhavati. So other than that, the general format will be like Lakshmi Shabda. As in case of Dikshita's Mata, which is the Siddhanta, it will be Pumvat. We already dealt with Prathi Shabda and Pullinga, if you remember. So in the forms will be like that, which means there will be no Adagama, no Nudagama, no Nyeha Amadesha, etc. Nadi Karyas will not happen. There is also one more Vigraha for Pradhi. Pradhi can be derived in two ways. Prakrishtam Dhyayati ityarthe Pratyekate Pradhi Shabda Ekaha. Prakrishtadhihi ityapi bhavati Pradhi. Prakrishta dhihi iti vigrahetu Lakshmivat. In both cases, that is even with reference to Vrittikara or whether it is Dikshitan, it has to be Lakshmivat, because this is Dhi is a Nitya Strilinga Shabda. It does not exist in Pullinga or Napumsakalinga. So according to Dikshitar also or Kayyata also, there is Nadi Samya. Vritikaradina mate tu bhavatyeva. So since it gives Strilinga without needing any other word. Shabdantaram vinapi striyam vartamanatam ityapi bhavati. So Anyantatat sulopo na bhavati pradhihi matadvayepi nitya strilingatvat nadi samya asti. Vritikaradinam matepi asti. Dikshitanam matepi nadi samya asti. So Lakshmivat yatha Lakshmi shabdaha tatha rupani visheshastu Ami Shasi cha Pradhyam Pradhyaha iti Vishesha. The difference will be in Am and Shas. So why the difference? Purva Rupam Purva Savarna Tirkhancha Badhitva Yengi Prapte. First we have Achishnu Dhatu Bhruvam, but overruling that Tadapi Badhitva Eranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya. So for Pradhi Shabda Prakrishtadhihi iti Vigrahe Sarvatra Eranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya ityanena Yanadesho Bhavati. So similarly, he says, so that is about Pradhi Shabda. Okay, there are two Vigrahas. If it is Pradhyayati iti Pradhihi, then Rittikara mate Lakshmivad Rupam, Dikshita mate Pumvad Rupam, Pullinge yatha tatha, arthat Nadi Karyani na bhavanti. Rittikara mate Nadi Karyani bhavanti, Dikshita mate Nadi Karyani na bhavanti. Prakrishtadhihi iti Vigrahe tu Ubhaya matepi Nadi Karyani bhavanti. Iti इदानीं सुधी शब्दः अस्ति. पुनः सुधी शब्देपि द्वेधा विग्रहः भवितुम् अर्हति. सुष्ठु धीः यस्याः अथवा सुष्ठु धीः यस्याः इति बहुव्रीहि समासे सुष्ठु ध्यायति इति वा सुधी शब्दः अस्ति. So again this can be this word sudhi in these derivations, that is when you have suष्ठु धीः यस्याः or suष्ठु ध्यायति, it can exist in all three lingas, right? Sushtudhihi yasya saha yasya sa yasya tat trayam api bhavitum arhati. Sushtudhyayati dhyanam api pullinge strilinge napumsakalinge bhavitum arhati. So this is the same case as the first pradhi we had. So Vrittikara mate Shrivat. In case according to Vrittikara, again this will have nitya strilinga. Shabdantaram vinapi striyam vartamanatvam nitya strilingatvam ityanena asyapi नित्यस्त्रीलिङ्गत्वम् अस्ति, नदीसंज्ञा अस्ति, किन्तु यणादेशो न भवति. डिफरेंस बिटवीन सुधी एंड प्रधी इज प्रधी शब्दे एरनेकाचो संयोगपूर्वस्य इति यण् भवति, सुधी शब्दे न भवति. किमर्थं न भवति? Why will सुधी शब्द not get एरनेकाचो संयोगपूर्वस्य? मुत्तुलक्ष्मी
नभूसुधियोः इत्यनेन यन् निषेधः भवति.
सत्यं. न भूसुधियोः, भू शब्दस्य सुधी शब्दस्य च यण् न भवति इति निषेधो विद्यते. Otherwise the conditions are satisfied, right? You have ehe anekachah sanyoga. There is ikara, there is no sanyoga, there is anekach, everything is there. But there is a specific nishedha which says na bhusudhiyohu. So there is no yan, which means there is iyang. Achishna dhatu bhavam ityanena iyang bhavati. So if you have iyang, it will be like shri. Right? So this sudhi shabda, which is in all three lingas, that is shushtuthi yasyaha sushtuthyayati, in these vigrahas it will be like shri in according to vrittikara. Nabhusudhiyoh iti nishedha lyenna bhavati, achishna dhatu bhavam iti iyang bhavati, naditvam asti ityarthah. Matantare tu pumvat. Matantare nama kayyata mate pullingavad bhavati, arthat nadi samya na bhavati. So as you know, Kayyata will say that only Strilinga words, Nitya Strilinga, those words which are in any other linga will not qualify for Nadi Samya. So there is no Nadi Samya, the form will be like Sudhi Shabda in Pullinga. Naditva bhava tatrayuktani karyani na bhavanti. Sushtu dhihi athava shobhana dhihi iti vigrahe tu shrivat. So when you are saying Sushtu dhihi, karmadharaya samase नित्य स्त्रीलिंगत्वम् अस्ति, उभयमतेपि नित्य स्त्रीलिंगत्वम् अस्ति, तेन नदी संज्ञा भवति, तदा श्रीवत् रूपाणि भवन्ति. Okay, so this is about for pradhi and for sudhi it is the same. So in one vigraha there is no, according to Dikshita, in one vigraha there is no nadi samya, in the other there would be nadi samya. According to Rittikara, whatever the vigraha, there would be nadi samya. Gramanihi pumvate. Okay, so here is where he shows the difference. You will get the question when Rittikara, if Rittikara considers that even if the word is in other lingas, it can be treated as Nitya Strilinga. So what words in his mata do not get Nitya Strilinga is a question which arises. So he says Gramanihi pumvate. In both Gramam Nayati ityarthe, ग्रामणी शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गवत् भवति, अर्थात् नदीत्वं न भवति. वृत्तिकारमतेपि नदीत्वं नास्ति, कैयटमते तु नास्त्येव. वै सेस् ग्रामनयनस्य उत्सर्गतया पुंधर्मतया पदान्तरं विनापि स्त्रियाम् अप्रवृत्तेः. उत्सर्गतया means by nature or by default. ग्रामनयनस्य पुंधर्मतया. Gramanayana, the leadership of a village, is considered to be a pumdharma. So unless you have another word, Gramanihi Kshatriya ityasti chet, if there is a word specifying, then you will wake up to the fact that it is an exception and there is a woman. Okay, but otherwise it generally refers to Pullinga. Therefore, Padantaram vina striyam pravrittihi nasti. Atra strilingatva bodhanartham padantaram apekshyate. So therefore he says this is not Nitya Strilinga and there is no Nadi Samya. मतद्वयेपि नित्यस्त्रीलिङ्गत्वं नास्ति, अतः नदी संज्ञा प्रयुक्तानि कार्याणि न भवन्ति. एवं खलपवनादेरपि पुंधर्मम् औत्सर्गिकं बोध्यम्. So when we go to ukaranta, we will see khalapu word is there. Khalan punati. So that also is considered to be an outsargikataya pumdharma, the property of a linga. So in that case, there will not be nadi samya, but in other ukarantas also the same thing will repeat. So we'll see it when we go to ukarantas. Okay, so that is about ikaranta strilingas. Iti idantaha. Any questions? Okay, we'll go to Ukaranta. Ukaranta is very simple. Dhenur Mativat. So there in Ukaranta Pullinga, the first sentence was Shambhur Harivat. Shambhu will be like Hari. So here he says Dhenu is like Mati. There is no difference. Dhenu Shabda is exactly like Mati Shabda in its Prakriya. Of course, the difference is in when you do Echo Yavaya Vaha, wherever you had I, you would get Avu, or when you do Yan, you would get Vakara Yakara. That difference is there. You cannot say Dhenaye as you say Mataye, but in Prakriya, in the sutras which apply, there is no difference. So there is no difference at all. Dhenuhu Mativatin. That is the standard Ukaranta Pullinga is Dhenu Shabda. Okay? Ukaranta Strilinga, I'm sorry. Now there is one more Ukaranta Strilinga, Kroshtu Shabda. If you remember, we saw Kroshtu in Pullingas also. Ukarantaha Pullingaha Kroshtu Shabdaha. Tatra Kroshtu Shabdasya Kaha Visheshaha. क्रोष्टु इति शब्दस्य कः विशेषः? सत्यं त्रिज्वत् क्रोष्टुः इत्यनेन त्रिज्वद्भावः कृतः. क्रोष्टुः त्रिजन्तवद्रूपं लभते असम्बुद्धौ सर्वनामस्थाने परे विभाषा तृतीयादिषु अचि. तृतीयादिषु अजादौ विभक्तौ विकल्पेन क्रोष्टुः त्रिज्वद् भवति. So there were forms like Krikaranta, there were forms like Ukaranta. Okay, there were both. In Sarvanamasthana, Trijvadbhava was Nitya. In Ajadi Vibhaktis, starting from Tritiya, Trijvadbhava was Vikalpa. In Haladis, there was no Trijvadbhava. So this Kroshtu was a combination of Ukaranta and Rikaranta forms in various things. But in Strilinga, no such complications. Striyamcha इति सूत्रं त्रिज्वत् क्रोष्टुः इति अनुवर्तते. बहु सरलं. स्त्रीवाची क्रोष्टुशब्दः त्रिजन्तवद् रूपं लभते. So in Strilinga, Kroshtu will behave like Trijanta in all vibhaktis without any. There is no Sarvanamasthana Anuvritti here. So in all vibhaktis and vachanas, it will be like Trijanta, which means it will become Rikaranta. Kroshtu ityasti. Striyamcha इत्यनेन त्रिज्वद्भावे सति क्रोष्ट्र इति भवति. ऋकारान्तत्वे सम्पन्ने किं भवति? ऋन्नेभ्यो नीप्. This is actually a स्त्री प्रत्यय विधायक सूत्रम्. स्त्री प्रत्यय विधायकं सूत्रं प्रसङ्गवशात् अत्र दीयते. ऋत् नेभ्यः ऋकारान्तेभ्यः नकारान्तेभ्यः इत्यर्थः नीप् प्रत्ययो भवति. नीप् इति Three pratyayeshu anyatamaha. It is one of the three pratyayas which will give an ikara at the end. Striyam ityadhikarah asti. Ridantebhyaha antebhyashcha striyam neep syat. For rikarantas and nakarantas, in Strilinga we have neep. So when you have kroshtru ityasmat, rinebhyo neep ityanena neep pratyayah kriyate. Iko enasi ityanena enadeshe kroshtri iti rupam Strilinge. The Pratipadika itself is converted to Kroshtri. We started with Kroshtu. Striyam chaityanena Trijvadbhave Kroshtru. Anantaram Stritadyotanartham Neep Pratyaya Krute Kroshtri iti Pratipadikam. Kroshtri, Kroshtriyau, Kroshtreha. So once it becomes Ikaranta, since it is also Nyanta, Neep Pratyantata Nyanta, the forms are always like Gauri. Okay? Gauri Shabdavad Rupani. So even if it is Ukaranta, all forms will be like Gauri Shabda since it is converted to an Ikaranta. Initially it is converted to Rukaranta and then it becomes Ikaranta. Gauri vad Rupani bhavanti. Okay. So that's it. So in Ukaranta there is nothing. There is only one possible form which is like Dhenu. Only for Kroshtu it becomes like Ikaranta. So there is no special karyas in Ukaranta Strilingas. Any questions? तेनाक्षर समां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीह्यं विरच्यते.
The organizer